Draw the base. Using the rectangle tool, click and release on the origin to set the first corner point of the rectangle. Move the cursor diagonally. Type 500, 500, and press the Enter key. Your dimensions appear in the measurements toolbar, and the rectangle will snap to 500 by 500 millimeters. Using the line tool, draw a line from the midpoint of a vertical edge horizontally. Using that line as a reference point, draw a square of 700 by 700 millimeters. Using the push-pull tool, click once on the smaller square face. Move the cursor away from the starting point and let go of the mouse. Type 500 and press the Enter key. This will pull the smaller square up by 500 exactly. Repeat the process with the larger square, this time with 700 millimeters. Using the line tool, draw the lines that divide the oval surface into two equal parts. The midpoint interference indicates the middle point on a line or edge. Using the Move tool, click on the lines created in the previous steps. Type 500, 100. Repeat the process with a larger square. Select line, move vertically, and by this time with 200. Using the tape measure tool, click the upper edges of the roof and move the cursor in the direction you want to measure. Type 25 to create the guideline at a distance of 25 millimeters. Using the line tool, draw lines over the guidelines. Using the push-pull tool, pull out 25 millimeters to create the front and rear eaves. Using the push-pull tool, push inwards each side of the house 25 millimeters. Touch the joints of the exterior walls with the eaves, drawing a vertical line from the corners of the rectangles to the eave, and with the push-pull tool remove the remaining volume, pushing the triangular surface until the end of the wall. Erase the remaining lines on the exterior walls. Repeat the steps in the rest of the wall eave joints. First line, vertical line, push-pull, surface, and erase those lines. Erase the guides in all the remaining lines. Complete the bottom of the house if necessary. Draw the door and windows. Using the tape measurement tool, create the guidelines at a distance of 25 millimeters. Using the rectangle tool, sketch door and windows. In this case 175 by 175. Triple click and move it. Using the select tool, select the window to be copied. Select the move tool and press and release the Ctrl key. The cursor will change to a four-way arrow with a plus sign. Click and select the window to copy. Move the cursor and click at the destination point to finish your copy operation. Now the door. (340 by 175 millimeters). Try 175 by 340. That's it. Move it. Help. Unit help. Create a guide. In this case the window. (340). (175). Using the push-pull tool, push windows and doors into the house. Do it on a window and repeat the operation with double click on the other doors and windows. On the face of the side door of the house, draw a rectangle of 40 millimeters and pull it out as a marquee with a distance of 400 millimeters. Select the move tool and clicking on the top edge of the front of the marquee, move the cursor down. Until the two edges almost come together. Try down 30 millimeters distance. Using the rectangle tool, draw to 20 by 20 squares in the outer corners of the lower surface of the marquee. Push fill tool, pull down any of the two squares drawn. To adjust the height of the pillars, we'll push it to match the cursor with the lower edge of the house. Repeat the action in the second of the squares drawn in the previous step. Push pull, on the edge. Use the paint bucket tool with the following materials: brick and cladding, brick antique, and 200 millimeters. For the walls. Roofing. Select roofing tile Spanish and edit it with at 200 millimeters. The glass with a translucent glass blue and an opacity of 75. The door with wood and wood cherry original. 75 200 millimeters. The blinds with natural wood. metal for the last part, aluminum anodized.